Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, last week you said we'd seen wheat prices bottom out, but yet we saw another 13-cent drop this week. Tell us what happened.
Well, last week I was looking at the December contract. It was going on a sideways 10-cent, maybe 12-cent up and down range with the support at $4. That popped that $4 resistance point. Hammered it down 18 cents. I also said last week that I was concerned about the basis falling off. The basis actually increased a nickel. So I missed both of those last week, and the market took off about 13 cents of our cash price, but it was added back on at the end of the week.
Let's talk about some of the major market factors then that are impacting prices.
Well, the big thing's probably corn. People's been watching what's going on with the corn production. But something we haven't been paying much attention to or talking about is the value of the U.S. dollar. You go back to late June, early July, that dollar index was around 95.2. Last week it got above 99. That's a 4% increase on the Texas Gulf, or bring it back to Oklahoma. That's about 20 cents lower on our wheat prices because of the value of the dollar. 20 cents doesn't sound like much unless you're dealing with $3.60 to $3.65 wheat. Remember, you go back to the August was the market prior to the release had the corn production at 13.2 billion. USDA came in at 13.9 billion, and everybody went ballistic how wrong USDA was. Well, Allendale came out this week with a new projection for corn production at just under 3.8 billion bushels. And you go back to August to now, the market's been trading that USDA number, and looks like with the weather going the way it is, that number is going to be relatively close.
With all of this happening, what suggestions do you have for producers thinking about planting wheat for 2020 harvest?
I think the first thing on that 2020 harvest is the producers should plan on about $5 wheat prices. That's what's predicted for the next 10 years or so, is an average price of $5. I also think producers need to concentrate on producing a quality product.
Okay, great perspective, Kim. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.